This how to 1 minute will show you how to add currency converter in WordPress website. Follow these easy steps to add a basic currency converter. Log into your WordPress dashboard and we are going to install a new plugin. Here search for currency converter and install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, you will get this currency tool here. So click on it. And now you will jump into the currency converter settings page. From here, you can customize this currency converter. Click on this from drop down and select the currency that you want to convert. And click on this to field and select the currency you want to convert to. You can change language from here. You can change amount. Here we can see the amount. You can change the size of this currency converter form. You can change your currency converter form color, background color from here. And now here you will get short code. All you have to do is just copy the short code from here. And now I'm going to my post section and simply I'm editing this post. Now I'm going to click on this add block icon and here selecting short code. Now pasting the currency converter short code, clicking on update. And now let's view the post. And here we can see I've successfully added a currency converter to my WordPress. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.